Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another monthly favourites video. In this video I'm just going to be sharing with you all my favourite beauty products from the month of May. I don't have a lot, I literally have under 10 here. I'm surprised that I haven't got more than this, but I really love what I've got here, as I always do. So if you would like to know what my monthly favourites are this month, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and just keep watching. Okay, so as always, I'm not going to go in any particular order of like favouritism or anything. I'm just going to pick up random ones and just go straight in. So I know I usually end up having these videos quite long, so I'm just going to try and keep it short. All kind of part of one collection. And if you watch my channel regularly, then this will be no surprise, but it is Shayla's collab with Colourpop. She came out with a full collection, I bought it all, and these three are just the ones that stuck out to me the most and I use the most and I've just loved so much, and obviously I still do. So the first thing is obviously her Perception eyeshadow palette, which first of all, it's the first Colourpop eyeshadow palette to ever have a proper mirror inside. So I mean, I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is. So I was already just obsessed with that. Her packaging for it was absolutely incredible. I love Shayla as a YouTuber. She's one of my favourites. And just look at the colours. And again, Colourpop's formula, I've talked about them so much, so I won't talk about them too much. But their formula is really good. They're so affordable and they're just amazing. They last a very good time on the eyes as well. I have this palette on my eyes right now. That's what I'm wearing. And I'm just obsessed. I think it's great. If you don't have this and Colourpop is quite accessible to you, then definitely get this palette. It is really good. I feel like it's got kind of like a day to night look from kind of like the neutrals here, and then you have all the colour as well, so it's an all around great palette. Then she also had like highlighters, lip products and all that, but these two really stuck out to me, as well as the eyeshadow palette. And this combo I'm obsessed with. It's like my favourite nude combo ever. I'm wearing it right now. It's her lipstick in the shade Quickie and her gloss in the shade Neat Freak. They last very well on the lips. Obviously, she didn't reformulate these. These are just Colourpop's normal formulas, I'm pretty sure. The Luxe lipsticks are all the same, and I think they cost exactly the same as the normal products do. So I think that's really good that they didn't, you know, bump up the price just because it was a collab. But yeah, I love it. I love this combo. Like I said, I'm wearing it right now. I feel like the gloss just makes your lips look a lot bigger, especially when you kind of apply it right in the tops and in the middle. That's what I've done today. And I just love it. I've been obsessed with this combo. I keep it in my bag for work, and the packaging on this and just everything. I just love everything about her collab that she's done. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. The product that I feel like I haven't actually used on my channel, I don't know if I've used it yet, but I really love this. It's by The Body Shop and it's their Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. So they have recently come out with a bunch of different ones. I do actually have two more. So I love face mists. I just love the whole concept of them, and setting sprays and all that kind of stuff. So I think they came out with 6 of them. I have 3. I just kind of got the ones that I think I'd get the most use out of. So my favourite one, I'll talk about that first because it is, you know, it's my favourite one. Like I said, it's the Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. It's just like an illuminating kind of spray. It's not a setting spray though, they're just purely just face sprays. It does really freshen up your face as well if it's quite hot, which it is now. I just love spraying this everywhere. I'll actually use it now and then you can see it in action. Glitter particles in it, but you can't see them when it's on your skin. It just looks like a glow. And what I really love about this the most is that when I haven't applied highlighter, like obviously I've got highlight on today, it will just kind of add just highlight there, and it looks so natural because obviously it's not like a powder, it's not a cream, it's just this. So I'll spray it now and then you can see. So can you just see, like from a minute ago, like it's just intensified that even more, and it's just added a nice all around glow. I feel like you can use this on your body as well because like I said, it does have like tiny glitter specks in, but it doesn't look like it. It just looks like a nice kind of wet sheen, if that makes sense. Obviously, if you're someone who is very oily, this isn't going to be for you. I try to keep this away from my T-zone when I do use it properly, but then I can use another one kind of in conjunction with it, which is this one. Mint mattifying one. That's this one. I obviously just spray this in my T-zone when I do use it. And then this one, I haven't actually tried this one yet because I just want to use my other ones first. But this is their Mandarin Energizing one, so it's very citrusy. It's orange, well, it's mandarin obviously. I love citrus, so yeah. I've got these, and but obviously the dewy one is obviously my favourite, and it's rose scented, which I like. I like the smell of rose, so that is really, really good. And they're such a good size as well. They're great for like holiday. These, I'm pretty sure these are the full sizes of them, and they're like £5 or £6, which I think is really good. So next product, I feel like this is going to be like no surprise, because since I did my testing video on it, I've just been obsessed with it all the time. It's the Nars Natural Longwear Radiant Foundation or something like that. I've been wearing it every single day. I'm not wearing it today because I just filmed this whole look, so I thought I'd use a different one. I just love this so much. It is literally everything that it describes it as. It's obviously, it gives you a really nice glow, and it is so long wearing. It does last very long on the skin, which is something that I find kind of like illuminating or radiant foundations don't usually do, but this does it. Obviously it's pricey, but to me I think it is 100% worth it. I'm not going to talk about it too much because I did do a whole video on it, so I'll just leave it in the description box so you can go see that if you want to kind of see this foundation like explained in depth. And I did like a wear test on it as well, so I'll leave that in the description box. I've only got like 2 more products. This is the last makeup one, the other one is a hair product, but this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I know they have like new ones. They have like the chocolate gold one, which I do really like, but this one in particular, especially the shade, has been just the best. But this is the dark chocolate one, and I have loved using this to contour with. It looks really dark in the pan, but I don't know what it is. When you just apply it on the skin, it just, obviously it could be a really nice bronzer like that, but I have really liked using it to just contour with. And I'll use my my NYX the fan brush that I love and I've talked about before. I'll use that, and it just really chisels out the cheekbones really nicely. This lasts all day, and it smells of chocolate, and when you kind of blend it and like some of it goes into your mouth, it tastes like chocolate as well. Bronzer, but it's not too cool that it's going to look like just a stripe of mud on your face. So I've really been loving this. I love it. Something else I've just remembered that I wanted to put in this video, where is it, is actually this brush right here, and I've been using this with this bronzer as well when I'm sometimes a bit too lazy to just use the NYX one. It's the e.l.f. bronzing brush, and this, I love this. It just looks like a normal standard bronzer or contour brush, but it's just so soft. It kind of reminds me of like those Smashbox ones that those are like obviously quite pricey because they are Smashbox, but this, it's just so soft. I am obsessed with this brush. It's so good. It's e.l.f. £3 or £4 maximum probably. It's a good one. It's really good. The final product that I wanted to share is actually a hair care product, and I feel like I know that I don't usually talk about hair stuff on my channel. I just strictly kind of keep it like skincare and makeup, but this has just been so helpful, and I feel like if any of you out there have the same issue that I do, then this is really going to help, and I feel like everyone just needs to know about it. So it's a conditioner, and so basically I have long hair, and it's quite thin as well, so it tangles and gets so knotty all the time. Like I'd brush one side of my hair and then I'd go to brush the other, then by the time that I'm done brushing this side, this will be knotty and tangled again, and it drives me insane. No matter how many different conditioners or shampoos I'd used, I just never felt that anything had just gone right with it. I also have coloured hair. Well, part of it's kind of gone now, but part of it is brown, so obviously I have to use a colour like shampoo and conditioner, so I just never looked into like using a proper detangling one. But then I found this, and I think it's actually quite new actually, but it's by L'Oreal, and it's their Dream Length Detangling Conditioner. So I don't use the shampoo, I strictly just use the conditioner, and it's so helpful. I do use quite a lot. I used like a handful of it, and I just leave it in my hair for about like a minute or two, and then I'll just wash it out, and this seriously helps. Like I try to wash my hair maybe twice a week max, because it's just not good to wash your hair that much, and this has seriously helped. I don't find it tangles, especially when I go to bed. I try not to tie my hair up too tightly, and it's not knotty by the morning. It's just really good. So this, if you have really long thin hair or just tangly hair in general, this is going to be really good, and it'll just help you out a lot. So thank God for this, and I'm really glad that they came out with it, because obviously it's new, hasn't been around for that long, but he even said that it's for long damaged hair, and that just that just sums up my hair straight away. It says our detangling conditioner instantly detangles the length and helps to reduce breakages caused by brushing by up to 50% after just one use. So that's really good. Obviously it's healthy and it's good for your hair, which is really good. And then it says the formula is enriched with vegetal keratin, vitamins and castor oil as well. Castor oil I know is really good for growing your hair. I know a lot of people use it on eyelashes, like to make kind of like grow their eyelashes and kind of make them more thick, so I know that's good. And it helps to reinforce the tips, strengthen hair and to help prevent breakage, and it also nourishes to help keep your hair looking shiny for longer. So it's just seriously so good. And also it just smells really fruity and sweet, and it's just got a really nice smell. I'm so glad it smells nice because the smell actually stays in your hair as well. And that is the end of the video, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my favourites video for this month. If you did and you enjoy favourites videos, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up so I can keep doing them for you, and also remember to subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. May? Oh my god, it's May. Looks of May? May? The package is